Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how to add TikTok videos to your WhatsApp status. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure that you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to add a TikTok video on your WhatsApp status, you can have to follow some steps. First of all, you have to open the TikTok app and find the video you want to share. Let me open the TikTok, and for example I want to share this video on my WhatsApp status, so I can just simply tap right here on the share icon. So after that, you can see the WhatsApp at the very top. I just tap right here on the WhatsApp. After that, now choose whether you want to share the video as a status update or send it to the specific contact. For example, I can send it to the specific contact, so I can just simply tap right here, and you can see the link of this video will be shared. And same as if I go to the status, then the link of that video will be shared to my status. Also guys, you can do one thing more. You can go to your TikTok, and after that you can tap right here on the share button, and you can see save video. Just tap right here on save video, and you can see that this video is saving. And after when this video will be saved, you can just simply go to your WhatsApp again. Let us wait for its saving. So guys, you can see my video is saved. Now just go back to your WhatsApp status, and from there you can see status. And so guys, you can see at the very front my video will appear that I downloaded from the WhatsApp. So I can just simply tap on the send button, and this video will be uploaded to my status. So these are the two ways to add video to your WhatsApp status through TikTok. So it was super easy. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.